Our mission at Experian is really pretty simple. It's financial power to all. And we do that through our direct-to-consumer products and services and B2B offerings. What we really liked about the Data Intelligence Platform were its data management capabilities with Unity Catalog. The fact that vector search was embedded inside of Databricks allowed us a way to manage all of our data assets and our ML models while also providing that additional layer of governance. I have a team responsible for building software and data products related to dark web analytics, generative AI, and business intelligence. We launched our ID Health Score for consumers through machine learning and vast data assets of dark web and fraud signals. Produce a score that will tell you your chances of identity theft, along with an action plan personalized to you. We build our products and our services with the focus on consumers. What will allow them to get that loan or to make sure they don't end up in that data breach. Unity Catalog really provides the ability to govern structured, unstructured data in a more efficient fashion, manage machine learning assets, and share notebooks between engineers. The stronger your data foundation, the stronger your overall generative AI architecture is going to be.